Hello everyone, welcome to another day in the life of a window cleaner vlog. It's a day where I'm in my village where I live, Parson Drove, so it's a good day. Was 20 cleans, we've got one skip and one's asked can we do tomorrow. So we're going to fit that one in because I have to come home to refill up with water. Handy being in my village, so no problem. So will we do it today? Should do, weather's good. Will I do it before 5 o'clock though? That's more of a thing. So why not follow along and find out. Just popped home to have a wee. That's one of the good things about working where you live. I just thought I'd go over a couple of things. It's probably getting the time of year now where people are going to get their cartridges out and do their own sort of like tidying up and pressure washing. And you're going to find it's going to throw a lot of stuff up on the windows, which is what I just found at one of my customers' houses. So walnut pad, DA components. I think it's the one for one of the tucker brushes. So you get a long strip and you can tear it or cut it to a handy size to have in your pocket. And then if you probably do traditional, you know what this is. It's a window scraper. Water-fed pole guys who don't do any traditional work, you may or may not know what it is. There's a big like blade in there and you can use that to get stubborn marks off the glass and the windows. It's certainly a lot quicker than using your brush from your water-fed pole. If you don't know how to use one of these, I can always make a video on it, but I think you'll probably find it on YouTube anyway. Secret is always make sure the glass is wet and just be careful when using the blade. Another handy little tool is a muck-off brush, but that's only handy really when it's places you can reach. So bring me on to point number 2. We done a customer's house. They just said, can we spend a bit more time when we're cleaning the frames, because like the bottom of the frame, basically where the glass meets the framework, there's some algae and bits of growth growing out of it. I guess the water sits in a little recess, so this stuff over winter can come back and grow. So we said no problems, and you'll find it's not the sunny part of the house, it'll always be the shady bit, like I said, over winter. But also a conservatory, that's kind of around that bit as well. So I'll just show you a clip on the conservatory. Sometimes you'll get on the framework these little decorative lines and stuff can grow in there. So especially if you're in a shady bit, because not all conservatories are always in the sunniest spot of the house. And if it's in a spot where you cannot use your muck-off brush, you can't reach it, that sort of thing, you're going to have to use the bristles on your brush. So all you need to do is hit it at an opposite angle, almost like 90 to 45 degrees, and just get in there. If you're worried about the water, you can always turn your water off and turn it on when you need it and off again. And just basically give it a good scrub and you'll get the green bits off. So yeah, just something I thought I'd chuck in. Anyway, got to get on with the rest of the day. Hello everyone, it's just gone 5 o'clock, all 19 cleans done. You can probably tell me and Matthew got a bit wet. I don't know if you can tell, you can probably see it's a lot darker than what it was earlier filming. We've had a rain shower and we got caught in it, typically right at the bloody end as well. There we go, it's hail and then heavy rain. And yeah, it got cloudy. It's been a bright day, been cold with the wind. And then we've had occasionally where it gets really dark because the clouds aren't looking good. We've had a couple of showers, but sometimes it's just been threatening and it's been all right, but this time we got caught in it. Anyway, job all done. Another day done and dusted. I'm gonna go home and dry this lot off so it's ready for tomorrow. So thanks for watching, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and YouTube will stick a video up for you to watch later. So have a good one, take care.